How to fix ChatGPT Preauth PlayIntegrity verification failed error. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also getting such error when you try to open your ChatGPT for the first time, so in that case what you need to do is just simply head over to your settings, and once you're inside your settings, scroll all the way down until you see the app section. Just tap on this and just locate the ChatGPT application. So once you locate it, just tap on that particular application and scroll down until you see the storage option. So just tap on this and simply clear all the cache and clear all the data from the application from over here. So once you do all of that, your issue should be fixed. If it's still not fixing, then just head over to your Play Store and just click on your profile icon at the top right corner and simply select settings. Just select about section and you can see there is an option to update the Play Store. Just tap on this update the Play Store, and once you do that, just come back to your search bar and simply search in for ChatGPT, and also make sure you have updated your ChatGPT application to its latest version as well. So once you do all of that, your issue should be successfully fixed. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.